Hi guys, it's Christina here from According to Kay. And I don't know about you, but around springtime I get allergies, and sometimes when it's not spring. I live in Arizona, and a lot of times it's very, very tricky with when things bloom and don't bloom. So one of the things I'm going to show you guys today is how to change your cabin air filter. I changed this filter a while ago. It's about due. It's probably been about 5 months. Usually you don't want to do more than 3. Depends on how sensitive you are and the type of filters you have. So today is car wash day, so I'm going to do both. And I will show you step by step, and I'd love to hear in the comments what you guys think. Okay, stay tuned. Okay guys, I'm back with a nice clean car. I'm ready to do my cabin air filter. So the first thing I like to do is I have gloves, right? Because, and not just any gloves, these are the ones that just hug to your hand, you know, no latex inside. That way you can feel everything you're doing. And what we're gonna do is go in the glove box. So for my Santa Fe, the cabin air filter is in the glove box. So that is where I'm going to go in and change it out. Now, for those of you that are familiar with cabin air filters, there's the paper one that has ridges, which you see most often. And then there are others that are specially designed so that you don't have to replace them as often, and you can rinse them off and keep using them. So for this change up, I went from a paper one to one that is made out of a material that allows you to rinse it off. It goes up to 45,000 miles. Rinse it off, dry it off, put it back, and use a special cleaner with it. And I will include a picture of that cleaner right here so you can see the cleaner. And for this, I am going with K&N. Okay, this is the one I'm using for my car. They are pretty good. Again, shout out to AutoZone, or if you are a Napa parts person, they are wonderful for DIY, especially if you're doing DIY on your car and you are a newbie like me. They look up your details on your car, and then they go ahead and give you the options. So this one is pricey. This one was probably about $45, but the regular cabin air filter paper ones are like between $7 and $20. Depends on what your car, size of your car, and then what it requires. So let's get to it. This is my glove box, and I have a push to start. So for this one, my key just comes out by pushing this button. I'll show you here. Pulling the key out, and this is the key that's going to open the glove box. Just pushing it open. Okay, now you want to remove everything that's in here. If you do have anything in here, like me, get a little crazy on the paperwork just to make sure everything's in place. All right. And a lot of times on these, you will have these buttons here, and these lower your glove box so that you can access the space right here, if you can see, which is where your filter is going to be, right in there. So I have one down. I've already taken one out, and so now I'm going to drop this other one and take it out. Now I'm able to access and see, all I did was just kind of open it a little bit like that. It'll still go back. I just need to make sure that I put those screws back and everything will be fine. But see, now it opens up, and that is the air filter right there. So I'm gonna move in here with my gloves. And I'm going to pop these. There's little pinchers here on the side. See those? Pinch them, open it up, and there's the filter. Take it out. See how dirty this is, guys. Ew. Look at that. So gross. So gross. And this is your standard, just paper one. Okay, it's been in way too long. So all my sneezing has been warranted. So I'm gonna throw that away. And now we have that space there. We're gonna go in with our new filter, which I'm gonna open up right here, Kate. Okay, when you get your filter, if you're getting the one I have, the high performance one, it is a lifetime warranty, which I love about this, for up to the amount of time that it is useful, which is about 45,000 miles from what I've been told. This is where it comes. I'm gonna take this plastic off. All right, so now the plastic off, I'm gonna go ahead and put this inside the space here. Like so. See how it just fits in there? Just like that. Get in there. And then we're gonna go ahead and stick this back on. Remember, it has the pinchers here. So we'll do that. All right, I've gone ahead and snapped that back in place. Right there. And then the pinchers right there. And so now we're just gonna put the glove box back. Little turn screws there and there, and we're good. Okay, so you can see I got the screws back in. There and right there. All right, now we're good to go. And of course, you need the obligatory AJ shot. Patiently waiting, right, AJ? Right, guys, so just to recap, that is how you install a cabin air filter. And again, I used a reusable one. These are the things I used. K&N. It's a lifetime warranty, so those of you that do get lifetime, make sure that you go ahead and register it, so that way if anything goes wrong, you have a recourse. I always do that. Gloves, and that's it. So let's turn the air on and breathe in the non-contaminant air. Yay. AJ. See you guys next time.